Hey everybody, welcome to the adventures of the Oklahoma Gruntman. Hope you're having a wonderful Friday. Right now here in Woodward it's sunny and 30 degrees. It's supposed to start off nice and then go downhill as the day goes by. There's a chance of snow tonight and tomorrow. We're right on the edge again, so I'm not expecting a whole lot out of this one, other than the cold weather is going to be coming. By tomorrow at this time, we should be in the teens for highs, and we're supposed to be down into the zero single digits for lows, and then actually Sunday and Monday we're supposed to be single digits for highs and below zero for lows. I know it's nothing like up north. They're already in that. Iowa is in a blizzard today, and the whole upper Midwest is going to be in blizzard conditions, so let's pray for them. And then there's severe storms on the south side of this. It's just kind of a mess right now with these weather patterns coming through, and we're not done yet. Even after this one goes through, there's another one following it up. I seen even Missouri and Arkansas were getting some snow this morning. We're actually, like I say, we're right on the very edge of the snow, so I'm not expecting much snow out of this. But the first round of cold weather is coming down from the north, and the real cold stuff isn't supposed to be here until next week. So yeah, we're prepared for some cold weather the next week or so. And well, it's expected. We're into January. It's just that we're not used to it down here. That 0 degree stuff, you typically don't hang around long, and I hope it don't again this time. Like I say, I don't mind the snow as much as I do the cold. The cold affects me more than the snow does, and it just costs a lot to keep the house warm, and yeah, you got to worry about freezing pipes and stuff like that. So we're just going to prepare for the best we can. I've been thinking about going out to Walmart and see if they got one of them buddy heaters that are propane, use an emergency. But I really don't think we're going to lose power. We're not supposed to be in any kind of blizzard or icy conditions or anything like that, but you never know. But we'll just do the best we can. Them buddy heaters are nice because you can use them in a lot of different applications. But I don't know yet. We'll see what today brings. They are nice, but like I say, I really don't know if I need it. I might do some bacon. Actually, I got a whole chicken in the freezer. I might get out and do a baked chicken when it gets cold. And that way, at least I'm heating the house while I'm baking. So, but we'll see what happens here. The wind is blowing strong again today. I think it's supposed to blow pretty hard. Like 20 to 30 mile an hour with gusts higher than that. So, but anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm on my way to go pick up Tristan. We're going to hang out a little bit this morning, and I think we're going to go to Subway for lunch because we haven't ever tried there yet. And Tristan said he had some coupons, so we might go give that a try quick. And God bless you guys. I love you. We'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, I got Tristan picked up. Like I said, we're gonna run up to Subway and grab some lunch quick and spend a little time together today. We don't got a lot going on, but
and it's cold.
Yeah, the wind is just cold. I mean, temperature-wise, now when I got in the car this morning, I told you I was going to go downhill fast. When I first took off to come and get Tristan a half hour ago or so, it was 30 degrees in my car here. Right now, it's 23, and the wind is blowing.
And that wind went right through my sweatpants. It's miserable. If you guys watch my video, I slept horrible last night. It was just horrible.
Yeah, I didn't sleep the greatest either. I think Tristan slept a little worse than I did, but I didn't have a great night's sleep by any means. I heard the wind howling all night long.
My tiny house is in my parents' backyard on their property, and the gate, I mean, it's locked, the back gate, but it was just slamming because it was loose and it was so loud. That wind was just tearing it up. And it's still blowing.
Yeah, it's going to blow all day. But it's just supposed to deteriorate from here.
Yep.
All weekend. It's just supposed to get colder and colder and colder.
So it is what it is.
Yeah, like I say, we can't control the weather, and it's January, so we can really expect it, but we get through this next week and hopefully it'll moderate a little bit. Like I say, I think we're going to miss the snow on this first snowstorm here. Is actually second, but because there's 3 right in a row. Hey, they're not working on your Starbucks this morning, Tristan.
A little too cold. Hey, maybe they went somewhere else and got coffee.
Yeah. But I don't think we're going to get hardly any snow out of this particular storm here today and tomorrow.
I watched the news with my mom when I got up before I watched anime, and it was said we're supposed to get 3 to 6, 3 to 4, 3 to 6. They don't know.
Yeah, they don't know. And most of it, the snow right now is out east of us already. We were right on the back edge, but the next one coming in, it's taking a more southerly track, so it kind of looked like the whole state of Oklahoma was going to get involved in that one. And that's supposed to be on Wednesday, I believe. So I think we're going to get more snow out of that one than we are the one today and tomorrow. Because right now there's not a cloud in the sky. It's clear and cold.
And it's that crisp cold. It's crisp.
Yeah, it's crisp. It's wintertime. You can definitely tell it. It's not like when you get them fall cool fronts come through. This is right down cold. The wind just has a bite to it. And
a box is blowing down the road.
But yeah, we're going to go get some lunch here. Just wanted to bring you guys along, get you updated here. We got Tristan picked up. And
we'll try to enjoy our day here.
Yeah, well, we probably won't get a whole lot, but yeah, you guys know how it works. We do our daily life, and that's the way it is. So, God bless you guys. I love you, and we'll talk to you later. Yeah, there's a lot of dirt on the truck, but I don't. It's a farmer truck, so yeah, he goes down a lot of dirt roads. He's hauling feed, I believe. Probably out to hog confinements and cattle yards. Hey everybody, I got turkey and cheese and a bag of chips and Diet Coke for my lunch here at Subway. Tristan got an Italian sandwich of some kind. I got mine toasted, he didn't. But we're gonna sit here and enjoy our lunch. I had a coupon, got all this for $7. That wasn't too bad. Tristan's was 4 or something altogether, wasn't it?
Would have been $8.08 without the coupon.
Yeah, so coupons helped a lot. So we'll talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, Tristan and I just left Subway. It was actually a pretty enjoyable lunch. It wasn't very expensive. I had the 6-inch turkey oven roasted turkey sub and chips and a drink. I had a coupon for the meal, It was only $7 and everything with tax. And Tristan had just a 6-inch sub. It was $4 and some change. So yeah, it was pretty reasonably priced. I'd never ate at Subway here in Woodward before, so that was my first time eating a Subway here in Woodward. I've been out to them in California and up in Iowa. They're not my favorite thing, but they're not bad once in a while. It was actually a good sandwich. I had the Italian herb and cheese bread, and it was really good. But yeah, it was an enjoyable lunch. I know Tristan's not feeling the greatest, and I'm not feeling the greatest. Neither one of us slept fairly good last night, so.
And the weather's just horrible.
Yeah, the weather's miserable, so I'll probably just bring Tristan back home and we'll finish our day out with whatever we get. And you guys know the drill. Not much going on here in Woodward this time of year. I was just looking on Facebook when I was sitting there at Subway. Brain fart.
That was the longest pause. Subway.
But, I was looking there, and there's a thing called Explore Enid, and they got a railroad museum there. It's closed right now because of the cold weather. But I might make another trip back to Enid someday here if we get a break in the weather and go check that museum out, because I really love the railroad. I don't know if I've ever shared that with anybody on Facebook or YouTube here, but I've always been into the railroad things. Used to have a whole, when I lived in Iowa, my whole basement was set up with model railroading. It ran around my whole basement. But yeah, I might go over there and check that out someday. I don't know if Tristan's interested in it, but
I can always help video. So.
Yeah. And I don't know what to expect. It looks like they got both model railroading and old railroad engines and stuff there, so it'll be kind of cool if we get some decent weather to go check it out. And if nothing else, it's a day out of town and to do something different. So we'll keep you posted on that. And my friend Terry is definitely trying to get us hooked up with some different stuff to do. Looking forward to that. Yeah, there again, I don't want to get out here when it's 0 degrees and feel miserable, so hopefully we'll get some nicer weather to go out and do that. I just got to get a hold of him again and get something set up.
Well, in the spring and summer, we're going to do a lot of outdoor videos, cooking videos, camping videos, just outdoors in general, at Boiling Springs, picnics and
camping, yeah.
Anything you can do outdoors will probably be most of our time outdoors in the spring. We're going to soak it up.
Yeah, before it gets super hot. But anyway, I just wanted to get you guys caught up a little bit. We had an enjoyable lunch. I'm on my way to bring Tristan back home. And then we're probably just going to kick around the rest of the day and get whatever we get. Like I say, neither one of us slept real well last night, so could even be a nap in the future this afternoon. So God bless you guys. Love you. We'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, this is a weather map of the potential snowfall Sunday night into Monday, or Sunday and Monday actually. We're right in the 3 to 6 inch range at Woodward here, but we're right on the edge, and they said it could be 4 to 8. Yeah, who knows? We'll just have to wait and see. The wind's supposed to really blow, so it could be like a blizzard Talk to you later. God bless. Hey, everybody. I hope you had a wonderful, wonderful Friday. Didn't get a whole lot done today. Hung out with Tristan for a little bit. Him and I both had a miserable night sleeping last night. I actually come home after I dropped Tristan off and took a little nap. Hope I don't regret that in the long run, but I was just so tired that I just laid down on the couch here and I fell asleep. But we got you a little bit of video today anyway. We're just in the calm before the storm here right now. Like I say, I don't know how much of a storm we're going to get, but we're right on that edge where we could get 6 inches, we could get 2 inches of snow. So we'll just have to wait and see how it develops. And we'll just take it from there and go with the flow. But anyway, I definitely appreciate every one of you guys and all you do for my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share, comment. My channel has been on a little bit of a growth. It's slow, but it's still growing. But yeah, I don't see much content coming of anything new for the next week anyway, because the temperatures are going to be brutal, and I'll get you some video of the storms or whatever we get and the cold weather. But yeah, just pray that everybody stays safe in all these storms. The blizzards up north, the cold weather. I seen parts of Montana were 30 below zero. And that's not wind chill factors. That was actual temperatures. The Sierras up in the northwest are getting heavy, heavy snows, tornadoes and hail and wind and flooding rains. I mean, it's everything's covered. I seen even parts of California were under a earthquake watch. So, I mean, everything's in play right now. So, just pray that everybody survives this brutal weather that's going on right now. Actually, if you look outside the window here at my house, it looks really nice outside, but the high temperature was actually during the night last night. It was 40 degrees, and it's been steadily dropping ever since then. It's only in the 20s yet right now, and we're going to be down into the single digits tonight. And tomorrow, there's not much of a warm up coming. So, yeah, just, and this is going to go way south. They said by the time this cold is done, there'll be freezing temperatures all the way to the Mexican border and beyond. So, it's not very often they said that Texas is below freezing in the whole state. So, yeah, this is going to be a big cold front coming down. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I just pray that everybody stays safe and warm and safe from all the storms and flooding. I even seen Michigan was supposed to get blizzards. Up in Iowa, they're getting blizzards. Parts of Iowa have had over 2 foot of snow out of both of these last 2 storms. So, yeah, that's a lot of snow, and with 50-mile-an-hour winds on top of it. So, but anyway, I love you guys. Like I always say, treat everybody the way you want to be treated. Make this world a better place. Keep moving toward them goals. Even though it's kind of tough right now, a lot of people are still out there sick. But yeah, just keep moving towards your goals. Be nice, be kind. Yeah, just be a good person. Help somebody out if you can. If you know one of your neighbors are sick, bring them a pot of soup or order them some dine-in so they don't have to cook. Check on your elderly neighbors, especially with all the storms and blizzards. And yeah, just be a good person. It don't cost you anything, but if you can afford it, like I say, buy a meal for somebody that's a shut-in or somebody that's sick or whatever. And yeah, just keep them in your prayers. Keep everybody that's going through some rough times in your prayers. Help them find the Word of God. Get God in their hearts. Give all your troubles to the Lord, and He'll provide for you. He'll take care of them troubles. But just remember, it might not be the way that you see it happening, but just give it to the Lord. So God bless every one of you guys. I love you, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.